morning. This interview is to be conducted for the fulfillment of our fourth grading project for Social Science 1. We are here today with Mr. Enrico Benayas, a war veteran and has several experiences during the war period. So, first question. Mr. Benayas, ang diin ka sang nag-start ang gira?
When the war started in 1942, I was in the fourth year high school. Fourth year.
Fourth year high school. So, diin ka sa high school?
Provincial high school, Iloilo.
The International High School? So, mga pila ka sang sang gira? Mga pila ka?
Santo?
Oo.
Ang edad ko? I was 1942. I was about 90, 80, 42, 90. Mga kwan. Pila na to?
Pila ka na subong?
90.
90 years old. So you're 90 years old and 1942 was like 70 years ago.
So, mga 20 ka
20 years old. So you're like, though 20 kasang nag-start ang gira. 20 kasang doon nag-start ang gira.
Mga 20, 20. When the war broke out, 1942, I was also 42. I was 22, no?
Mga
Ano?
around 22 years. 20 years old. Or around 20 years old kasang nag-war. Kasang nag-war. So, can you tell us something about yourself? About some, like for example, your name, age, and the titles that you used to hold. First, pila ka na siguro? 90 years old ka na?
90.
Years old. Can you give us the information about your education? So, kung diin ka nag-elementary, high school?
Educational.
Educational background.
Educational attainment, I finished normal
In a normal
teaching, education,
when you were in college?
MA, and law.
So law and education. Yung natapos
Education,
mo.
I took up education. I took up Master of Arts, and then law.
Okay.
I took up normal, first year normal here. And then I went to Manila. I started in the Arellano University, finished my normal course,
Okay.
and then proceeded to education, and further proceeded to MA.
Okay.
After finishing MA, I had nothing to do.
So, ito ka law.
I was still aggressive, so I finished. I took up Master of Arts. After finishing Master of Arts, still I wanted to. I took up law. Finished it at MLQ.
Thank you. Okay.
Manuel L. Quezon Educational Foundation.
Okay. So, can you please describe your experiences during the war period?
Experience, I enrolled in when was that?
47?
1942 also. 1942. I enrolled in Tulahong Hospital. It was a hospital, so I enlisted as an enlisted man and assigned into the hospital as an aid man. I was in the hospital when the liberation, I was still in the hospital as helping the nurses take care of the sick and the wounded. It was the field hospital of the 63rd Infantry Regiment. That was the hospital of the where I enrolled. I enlisted rather. So I continued there until liberation. Of course, liberation came in
46. Around 1946.
Liberation 1945. 45. I had myself processed out in 19... Nakandi? Oh, Mrs. Binaya.
Not only one.
First at the ring, and then here at Delgado, we were reprocessed. Then I was demobilized, meaning I left the service. I continued. In fact, I was still in the service when Governor Bonpisor opened the regional high schools. I was still in the service, not yet out when Cabatuan High School was established. I was still a soldier, but I was attending the classes. Hindi naman masyado kakwan strict. So, I attended classes during the day. Continued my studies even when I was still in the service. When I was mobilized out, that was also our graduation. We graduated in Cabatuan regional high schools. May fourth year ko sa Cabatuan na. Just sort of finishing the high school that I began in Iloilo Provincial High School. The 4 years of high school was in Iloilo Provincial. I enrolled in Cabatuan, finished it. Siraan niya. 1945. So I proceeded. I had myself processed out first in Tiring and then in Delgado. Processing center was in Delgado. And then at the time I was being processed also, I was already enrolled in the normal school. I enrolled in the Iloilo Normal School when the schools were open. That was the best school in after the war. Iloilo Normal. But I did not finish it in the Iloilo Normal. I left the normal in a half. My teacher in music gave me 80. 80? No, 78. 80 did not qualify me anymore to become an honor student when I graduated. So I left the normal crying. I was running for honor, but my music teacher gave me 80. 78. Hindi na ako qualified honor. I left it. I went to Manila. Did not know what fate awaited me in Manila. It's good. It was good. My boarding house in Manila was located near the Arellano University in Atligarda. So I enrolled in Arellano, continued my normal studies, and then after normal I finished education and still proceeded to take MA. I finished MA while I was already employed in the GSIS. I was promoted every year. Dr. Salbosa, our general manager, a graduate of Ann Arbor University in Chicago, was a man of very strict personality. He wanted every employee to take an examination. So I took an examination. I passed it. In fact, I think I topped the entrance examination. I was taken in immediately. Immediately, I was interviewed. The interviewer recommended, he knows English. He knows English. Meaning probably I could speak English.
Then, ang Tulahong Hospital, kay doon sumunod, di ba? Tulahong Hospital. Di ba naman nag-aid ka dira? Sa Tulahong Hospital. So, then, ang Tulahong Hospital, ang Tulahong Hospital. Tulahong Hospital. Somewhere.
Now,
Din ang Tulahong Hospital, kay di naman, dira ko din.
hospital?
Ang Tulahong Hospital, naging burahan mo. Ang ginubrahan mo before sa war, nga daw naging aid ka.
Sa Kwan. Sige ra. Ang tawag namon sa to, sa Tulahong ako nag-enlist. It was a hospital of the 63rd Infantry Regiment under Chavez.
So, siya makita. Siya lapit sa
Ano?
Din siya ka-part sa Iloilo, ang Tulahong Hospital. Din siya ka-part sa Iloilo.
Sa Tulahong.
Maasin.
Tulahong Masin. Dito ang Kwan, ang
evacuate na mo.
ang hospital mismo was relocated the hospital in Tulahong. A buck private. Until the war broke out, rather until Japanese were sent out, I was still a buck private. So I retired from, in fact resigned from the army as a buck private.
Okay.
I was never promoted.
So you're
So I was mas maayo man kay hindi ako sa infantry. Kay young man like me, kung sa infantry ako, patay na ako. I would have become an officer in the infantry. Kaaway-ngaway, wala kasing kwan. Pero I was in the hospital. I was helping the nurses. In fact, I was the supply sergeant of the hospital. My TO, my designation could have been in a table of organization, could have been sergeant, but I was never given a promotion.
Okay.
So I retired. In fact, I was still enlisted. I was already going to school in Cabatuan.
Okay. So, if you were never promoted, how did you rise to the rank of the captain?
Ano?
How did you rise to the rank of the captain?
Captain?
Paano ka kung wala ka promote, paano ka nga nagsaka sa ranggo nga
Captain.
kapitan?
Oo.
Kapitan.
I was occupying a position in the table of organization as technical sergeant.
Okay.
But actually, my sort of enlistment was still back private.
Okay.
But in the table of organization, the position called for a technical sergeant. So I was the supply sergeant of the hospital. Ay, nagapang kuan bala, nagapang confiscate sang mga supply para ipakaon sa mga pasyente. Ini siyang ulihi.
Umalis sa 60.
Siyang ulihi. May program ang army na upod kami ni Reding Norada at the time. Nag-enlist kami for officership. So, I was designated captain. Si Rading bala muman upod kami. In the army organization, my rank is captain. Sino?
Ang Chavez, Chavez mo lang official niyo, kilala mo pa?
Si Chavez.
Oh, hindi si Chavez ng banan dati.
Si Colonel Chavez.
Colonel Chavez.
Oo. Ito, kung naman, head sang 63rd si Chavez.
First name, yeah.
First name.
Si Colonel Chavez
Oh.
was head of the 63rd Infantry Regiment. There were several regiments in the island of Panay. 63rd si Chavez, 64th si Grasparil, 65th si hadid to sa Sara. Nalbatan ko na ang kanya. Mga Colonel.
Si Colonel Macario Peralta.
Si Peralta ang head.
Head.
He was the head. Colonel Datoro was his deputy. And then Chavez was commander of the 63rd. And then Grasparel was commander of the 62nd. And I forgot the other commander. There were 3 regimental commanders in Panay.
So you were
I was in the dirty. I was taking care of the sick and wounded when the army invaded Tering
Mm.
when the Japanese were hold in. We were in Kalayo.
Mm.
Kasi kadamo sang wounded and dead.
Mhm.
Ginkuha nila ang Tering. Why nila mag-capture ang Tering?
Kabatuan,
Yes.
di ba? Ang
Ah.
Kuan ni
Kabatuan,
airfield
di ba?
dito sa Americans.
Mm.
Gin-raid ang Tering landing field nga occupied sa Hapon.
Mm.
Kadamo sang patay kag wounded ginadala didto kami sa Kalayo. Ang hospital namon sa Kalayo.
Mm.
Sus, lintik sa almost every day may wounded nga ginadala to. Either the wounded would die or stayed with us until
Na
liberation.
Yan, ako sa encounter sa mga sa
Japan?
mga Japanese, sang naga-treat kamo sa mga wounded.
Why ka mo na labot sa
Why
hapon?
kami amon ng encounter sa Hapon?
Mm.
Kaya sa hospital kami mo. Hindi
so-
kami fighting kwan.
Hindi ka fighting squad.
Oo. Pero nakaupo na ko,
Yes.
pag-grade namon sang
Mm.
sanitarium,
Mhm.
Raid. Oh.
sang kwan bala sa
Santa Barbara?
sa Santa Barbara.
In-raid ninyo?
Santa Barbara.
Gin-raid namon.
Mhm.
Kay may
ano,
nabalaan
sir?
kami nga madamo ang kwan ang pusil sa natago nila.
Armory?
Gin-raid namon. Buksan namon ang kisamay kadamo sang pusil, ubos namon kadala. Why sila kapan? They were caught by surprise. Kuha namon ang mga pero kalabanan rifle. Why man sing long arm
Long range.
nga kwan nga bisan mga submachine gun lang wala.
So, double adi mo
Asa?
mga armas dito.
Pwede mga sugilanon mo ang mga worker sa ospital, punugin na sila.
Mm.
Punugin na sila. In fact, si Kwan, si notorious na sa aton, o hindi man nagamit itong mga espiya sa nga po na
Murata?
Murata. Tugiran niya kami sa mga muna.
Kay
Si Murata ya, subong-subong na ya.
Mm.
Either sa hapon.
double agent siya kumbaga.
Oo.
Do ga-work mo siya sa Pilipino, ga-work mo siya sa mga Hapon.
Oo.
Si Murata na.
Murata.
So, ano to nga year gin-rate ng sanitarium na mga armas? Ano nga year?
Ang
Pag-grade
Ang
ng
yung
mga
year?
armas.
Oo.
19 almost at the end of the Japanese occupation, year 1945. Yung mga 1944, 1943, 44.
So, ang
forces ng war, ano nga
side, sa
Oo.
ka din, sa army, agad kung part ka sa guerrilla.
Ah,
Part ka sa army, gid nga
or
ilagay
sa guerrilla, sa
forces, gid o kung guerrilla ka.
ang
Ikaw, sa
Ako?
sa war,
Philippine
ang
Army.
guerrilla ay part of the army.
Okay, so do nag-combine
Oo.
sila sa time na to.
Infantry, may medical, tanan nga kwan nga branches of the army, ara. Mga ang fighting units, mo ng infantry, may supply man kami, may DRB organization.
Do na.
O, ang amon medical lang.
Medical ka lang. So do ka lang gid
Oo,
sa field ka lang.
may hala sa sa infantry, fighting unit.
Okay, so, pwede mo ma-describe ang forces ng mga Pilipino?
Sa war, ang Filipino forces sa war.
Ah,
Ang forces ng Filipinos, pwede mo ma-describe?
Sa war.
may na, describe.
Describe ang Filipino forces during the war period.
Determine mo. Ang ano?
Ang Filipino forces.
During the war
Mga,
period.
i-compare mo sa Japanese forces.
Kag sa mga, sa Japan,
Ma-compare mo.
Filipino fighters.
Oo, kag ang hapon, ano,
Pwede
ang
mo
difference nila.
i-compare.
Ang diferensya nila.
Oo, ang daw comparison mo. Para sa
Kasi daw,
Japanese.
hindi mo man
Mag-discern?
kompararang hapon niya, pana, ining automaton, sort of, basta, mandar ina niya sa mga kwan niya, sundon gid niya na, mga kwan na isa, sila, ining daw, very obedient bala.
Do,
So to the point of daway sila sing personalidad yang mga hapon mo
mga robot lang.
order sang commander nila
Sundon din nila.
o sundo nila na they are fanatic to
Japanese.
their emperor.
Hmm.
Okay. So, what happened there sa, ano natabo sa mga relatives mo sa war period?
Kung
Siya.
paano ka nag-go?
Like, ano natabo sa mga relatives mo sa war period?
Sang
Relatives
War,
mo.
relatives mo. Ano natabo sa ila?
relatives ko,
Oo.
they stayed at home. They stayed in their farm, continued working. Agi gani grilya karon. Kaysa papasanon sila sa mga dala sa grilya. Kung hapon man makuan, dalagan sila manago eh.
So, do, ano?
Muna ang ideya sa una sang kuan,
So, do,
sang kuan grilya.
so they live the normal life.
Civilians did not like to meet the Japanese.
So, they just live the normal life sa family mo? Sa war period, do, ano lang, do,
baliwala lang
do,
nila,
nag-live
mami.
lang sa normal life nila. Dayon, do, kadalagan lang sila sa mga Japanese.
Nagpanago.
Kapanago lang sila sa gatab sang ano
Ah,
sa
oo.
Japanese war tabo mga
Basta may penetration tawag nila. Ang hapon magkuan, mag-penetrate sa mga civilian population. Panago na sila, hindi na sila magpakita. In fact, in 1943, it was the day of the Three Kings. I was caught by the Japanese in Buray.
July 19.
Nay kabantuan. Nakpan ako sa ngapon. Kay bala namon nga ma-penetrate sila. Pero kuti nagagaram kami mo.
Garaman.
We were
Harvesting rice.
harvesting the ripened rice siling ko sa ila sa mga in fact duha ang utod ko sa tong upod kag daw pito kami
Ito ka mo magutod.
awalo
Ayun.
siling ko hindi na lang kita palagyo ara na sila titirohon pa kita ginkuan kami, tipon nila kami, dalon kami sa kuan. Sa una may semeniya na sa bulay. Kuan pala ating
Sugar.
sugar mill,
Sugar
Muscovado. Muscovado.
Muscovado.
Hmm.
Dala na kami to, investigar. Tapos investigasyon sang
Japanese.
walo kami. Ginahuiran ako
Mhm.
mga utod ko kag mga workers
Di pa
gin pagkuan gin release sa hapon Ako ya ginawiran.
Hindi kanila.
Hindi ka balaan mo, bago lang kita naghalin sa high school. Daw matinlo po bala ang mga why pa mga
Fresh from high school.
kwansang mga
Scars of war, wala pa sa
Ibon. Marka.
siguro sige, ang suspicion nila rapa dala nila ako pagabot namon sa putok-putokan sang plato to sa bulay ginpundo nila ako ang mga sibilyan gumawa sa kwan sa katubuan sang pagkabati nila nga dakpan ako ang mga sibilyan nga nagapanago sa sulod sa tubo kay mga tubo na palibot mo nagguluwa sila sunod sa amon sa hapon niya dadala ako sa hapon kahilibi sila mga ants mga kalabanan babae kay mga lalaki nadlok ka mo magpakita sa pon pag-abot to sa mga kwansang plato pundo kami butangan nila sa Tommy gun to sa tubang ko mga 10 feet siguro derega tubang ako sa Tommy gun linya investigahon nila ako
Wow.
dahil investigar mga simple questions malang may nakita ka nga guerrilla buhay gida siling ko may nag-aagi diri kung kaysa may ginapasan arbot kung guerrilla na hiling nila ikaw ko hindi ka guerrilla hindi ako bura ko sa
Farm niyo.
after the investigation why sila sa makuha siyang kwan ko kaya ang tuyo nila sa to dalon nila ako sa niway whether to kill me or make me their spy no di daway sila si makuha sa kwan ko sa testimony ba mayo with the mothers following us and sisters mga nagluwa sa kwan sa katubuan upod di ka sunod sa amon kahilibi sila ginakuha nilang hapon nga hindi lang ako pagdalon siguro nakakuha na ng hapon convincer ininvestigar tapos investigasyon siling niya bueno hindi namon siya pagdalon pero buligan ninyo siya nga sa rason nga Sabado mabalik kami ipuno ninyo ang tanan nga lalaki dire sa bulay dire sa galingan ate oo siling nila ba nagbalik sila the next Saturday pero pagkatapos ng investigasyon ko nga to nag-meeting pa na kami wala nang hapon siling ko sa ila ano tuyo ninyo mabalik kita din mapagkikita sa pon liwat siling nila hindi na nadlo kami ate nadisidihan sa mga tao nga next Saturday pabalik sa ngapon hindi na kami magpakita pagbalik tuod pagbalik ang hapon next Saturday way tao the whole baryo bulay hasta mga neighboring baryo mga bulay jutay nga kakabatuan nagpalalagyo, layo sila, waising tao. Waising tao nga nagbaton sa ila.
Din ka mo nag
Palagyo lang kung din nga
Kung din lang
isa lang.
Kung makagadto, ino?
Why may mapakita sa pon, no? Puli sila, why sila sa nakita nga tao. Ang lang na. Puli siya nga pon.
Did you suspect him?
They were disappointed eh.
Did you suspected nga iharas ka mo sa Japanese? Did you suspected that you will be nga daw i-massacre ka mo sa mga Japanese or something?
At kasi pag second visit nila, kung ara mga
Saturday.
tao siguro,
Ginasakit
buo nila na.
Sabi ka mo, sabi niya mo,
Pero why sila nakita mo? They did not meet any person nga nagpakikita sa ila mo. The whole barrio Bulay and this neighboring barrios, why singkwan mo? Everybody ran away, layo.